So in this problem, we need to find out the value of two positive numbers whose arithmetic mean exceeds the geometric mean by 2 and has a difference of 12 between them. So let's begin. So we'll be consider the two numbers b, a and b. Now it's given here that the arithmetic mean exceeds the geometric mean by 2. Now we know that arithmetic mean of a and b, that's given by a plus b over 2, which will be equals to the geometric mean between them will be simply square root of ab plus 2. So let's multiply both sides by 2. So we have a plus b equals to 2 times square root of ab plus 4. Or we can have a plus b minus 2 times square root of ab equals to 4. Now a can be also expressed as square root of a whole squared plus b. So b can be expressed as square root of b whole squared minus 2 times. So square root of ab can be expressed as square root of a times square root of b. That's because both a and b are positive numbers. So this is equals to 4. So this is going to give us square root of a minus square root of b whole squared equals to 4. So we're going to take the square root on both sides. This is going to give us square root of a minus square root of b equals to plus or minus 2. So let this be equation number 1. Now we also have the condition that the difference between the two numbers is 12. That means a minus b equals to 12. Now a minus b we can express it as square root of a whole squared minus square root of b whole squared equals to 12. Now this is an identity which can be also expressed as square root of a plus square root of b multiplied to square root of a minus square root of b. So that's equals to 12. So if we substitute the value of square root of a minus square root of b with plus or minus 2 as obtained in equation number 1, then we are going to get square root of a plus square root of b. This will be equals to 12 divided by plus or minus 2. So we're going to get plus or minus 6. So let's label this as equation number 2. Now we will use equation number 1 and equation number 2 to obtain the value of a and b. First, let's add equation number 1 and equation number 2. So we're going to get square root of a minus square root of b plus square root of a plus square root of b, which will be equals to plus or minus 2 plus or minus 6. So we have square root of b and negative square root of b cancelling out, giving us 2 times square root of a. So that's equals to plus or minus 2 plus or minus 6 will be plus or minus 8. So we have square root of a equals to plus or minus 4. So squaring both sides is going to give us a value a equals to 16. Next, let's subtract equation 1 from equation 2. So equation 2 is square root of a plus square root of b. From here we're going to subtract square root equation number 1, which is negative times square root of a plus square root of b, which will be equals to plus or minus 6 and minus of plus or minus 2. So we have square root of a cancelling out. This is going to give us 2 times square root of b equals to the plus or minus 6 minus plus 2. So that means we are going to get the value 2 times square root of b equals to plus or minus 4. For square root of b, that will be simply equals to plus or minus 2. Squaring both sides, we're going to get value 2. So that means the two numbers are 16 and 2. Thus, the two numbers are 16 and 4. So this is actually 4. We're taking the square on both sides.